I'm Wyatt, and this is the electricity program. This environment, working in here, it's helped a lot. It's made me feel better about schooling, especially with having to be online for some of it. This is still like a lighter part of the day, coming to bowl season and being able to do this stuff. It's improved my grades. More like excited for school. Still not too excited, but a little more excited than I used to be. I would say this is a good choice, It's interesting, it's fun. A lot of it is laid back, like it's not, you have to be focused 100% of the time. Like, it's laid back, so it's easy to learn. Here, we learn how to wire up panels and boxes, light switches, learn electrician safety, the guidelines, measurements, all kinds of stuff. Everything that I learned is how to wire up a box, wire up lights, get everything working and in motion. I like having different classmates. I'm not around the same people all the time. It's kids from different schools. You get to learn what other schools are like, for me mainly too, what other sports programs are like from other schools, what goes on at those other schools, the different walks of life you see come through. It's really nice. It's eye-opening. After C-Tech, I'd like to move down to Florida, go to a trade school, start off in the union down there, maybe someday own my own electrical company, and hopefully make a good amount of money someday. If you would like to know more about our electricity program, talk to your counselor.